Hello everybody, this is Auto-Vox tire compressor. It has a good hose organizer. And its tip has that screw thing. It is not that L-shaped. And I like this cable organizer. I like to hide this cable inside here. So these are some extra gadgets that I'm not gonna use these. Okay, let's connect. The cable is this much long. It is 10 feet, and I think it is long enough to reach most of the cars. So right now I have 20 psi of pressure, and just choose the psi mode. I'm selecting my target to 32 psi, and let's connect it to the tire. For this you gotta screw it. So it measures 19 psi. Okay, let's run it. So we need to rotate this little dial. Okay, now the other button is for this flashlight. This is SOS light blinking red. Nice cool addition. It is 30 feet. It is pumping a good amount of air into the tire, so it's supposed to stop by itself when it is 32 psi. Okay, now let's check it. So when I remove it, I think I'm losing some pressure. So it shows 30 psi. So I think we need to increase this setting so we can get 32 psi when we remove the hose. It up to 33. We're checking it again. Looks like it's almost 32, but not exactly 32. So I'm changing it into 34. The cool thing is about this compressor is it stops at the target pressure. So you can set it up to 34, maybe 35, then manually adjust it to 33 or 32, whatever pressure you need. So far it is a cool gadget for any car. Thank you for watching.